Yo, what's up, guys? This is a little different. It's not a Airsoft gameplay video or a shitty Roblox live stream.
I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do this. Oh! 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 You guys stop that. You guys stop.
So today we're gonna be talking about the Flick, also known as the FLC or the Fighting Load Carrier, as that's its full government name. You can get the FLC for about $30 to $50, really anywhere. Amazon. You can get them on Amazon, but you're most likely gonna find them on eBay or a surplus store like Gear Rack. Bought this for about $35 off of Gear Rack. I didn't get like the full set, so it didn't give me the 3-day assault pack and hydration carrier, but I got everything else. Give a little bit background knowledge on the Flick. We got the Flick in like 1997. We started issuing that out in M81 Woodland. The Interceptor comes into in like 1998. You're supposed to put the Flick over the Interceptor vest. So a couple years later, we get the war in Afghanistan, and we start issuing these. And Woodland didn't work in the desert, so you know what we did? Made them in DCU. They eventually stopped issuing these around like 2008 to 2012. I don't know the exact year, but they stopped issuing these, and they stopped issuing these and started issuing the TAPS chest rig. Which yes, I will be making a video on that once I get a TAPS chest rig. And when is that? I don't know. Not for a while. What you would get in your Flick or your Fighting Load Carrier Rifleman kit. You would get 2 grenade pouches for your grenades. Or you can put tourniquets in them if you really want to. 3 double mag pouches for your mags. For 2 mags in each pouch. Yeah, 2 3-mag shingles. If you really want to, you can squeeze 2 into each pouch. 2 general purpose size canteen pouches. Sweet. You know, for you can't. Then also you'd get a waist pack too. Some other things you may or may not get. Some other pouches I would issue too would be a e-tool pouch. You would also get that in your Fighting Load Carrier too. I forgot to say that, but you would get an e-tool pouch too. You may also get a bandolier, an IFAK, M40 grenade pouches, flashbang pouches, and the 100 and 200 round saw pouches. Those are the other pouches you can get too. Other than that, I don't really know any other pouches you could. I guess you could get a dump pouch or a radio pouch. Yeah, that's pretty much all you get. And I guess we're gonna be setting it up